Hi there, this is Jared from TopThemeReviews.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing desktop blog editing software for WordPress. So this is software that you can download to your computer and you can use it to upload posts to your WordPress blog. In some cases, some of these softwares can actually upload pages as well. So I'm going to show you some of your options now. The first one I'll talk about is BlogJet. This is BlogJet here. If you want to create a new post, you just hit New. A new tab appears and you can start typing. BlogJet supports categories, supports tags. You can choose to post a page or a post, but the one thing it doesn't have is custom post types or custom taxonomies. If you have those, there's no feature for that. Another nice tool is you can embed a YouTube video, but you cannot embed a quick link. So if I wanted to copy this, paste it here, I hit Control V, you can't simply copy paste an image into your blog post. So that's pretty much it. It does support many different blog platforms like you see here, and that is BlogJet in a nutshell. The next one I'll talk about is BlogDesk. It supports many blog platforms. It's very simple and easy to use. You can save templates for reuse, insert your image from your clipboard. Best of all, it's free. The downside is it's not completely intuitive. It's not supported for custom post types or custom taxonomies, and it only posts as post types. It doesn't post pages. So let me show you what BlogDesk looks like. Here it is. So if you want to save a template, you can save this as template and you can reuse it over and over again and quickly and easily post to your blog. If you want to insert an image from your clipboard, for example, you can go insert from clipboard. It's going to give you options. You can crop, resize, rotate, etc. There it is. We just inserted an image from the clipboard here. And it does support categories. If you want to create a tag, you can also insert tags here for WordPress tags. So that's BlogDesk. Next is Chrysanth Web Story. This is very professional looking. Good getting started wizard. It supports blog posts, not pages, but that's only based on my limited time experimenting with it. Images you can copy and paste, watermark, filter, and more. And you can post videos easily from YouTube, Vimeo, etc. The cons are, during download it has CPA offers in it. You have to sign up for a web story account. You start out with 50 credits. You have to buy credit packages after that, so it's not freeware as a WordPress blog states. And from what I can tell you, there's no undo feature that actually works. It posts a signature during publish and does not support custom post types or taxonomies. So let me show you that now. This is Chrysanth Web Story. Okay, so very professional looking. Just the downside is the cost. So let me just show you. I'm going to create a new page or post. Let's just say a new post here. So I hit new. And this is actually probably for really professional bloggers here. If I wanted to paste something in, I could. I had something copied to my clipboard here. I'll show you what that looks like. It's actually their pricing. You can buy 70 credits, you can buy whatever credits. You have 50 for free initially, and here's kind of the pricing schedule. But you can add watermarks like this, border effects, and so on. There's a lot of features within this though, so paying for it might not be the worst thing in the world. Like I said, this is for serious bloggers, so if that's you, give this one a try. Next is Post to Blog. It's free. It offered a very easy to follow beginner tutorial intro that allowed me to get my WordPress blog hooked into this. It supports many platforms. It's very simple to publish. The downside is it wasn't very clear where to download this. It doesn't look supported anymore. A weird editor pane. So for example, when I drag this, you can see that the editor pane is kind of stuck out there in the middle of nowhere. And adding tags is not obvious. It's called keywords. So if you want to add tags, think of it as keywords instead. You can select automatic titles if you wanted to, and you can post to different areas of your blog and in different categories. Here's some of the features. You can post as a draft, publish, add new accounts, and so on. If you want an advanced editor pane, you can click this advanced and you get more options. So that's post to blog. Next is QTM. It supports many blog platforms. You can insert an image from clipboard. It supports categories and tags. The thing is, it doesn't support custom post types or taxonomies. The editor is pretty basic and bare. The image meta info is pretty poor, and in my opinion, this overall is not a very good program. Here you can see the basics, so you can select what you want to actually edit about your blog post here. So categories, for example, if you want to add a new category, you can. It supports WordPress tags. So if you want to put a tag down here, you said this is my tag for this post, there it is. And then it also supports Technorati, trackbacks, and excerpts. So in my opinion, the editor is very, very basic, as you can see here. There's not a lot going on here. This is open source, so I wouldn't actually recommend this one. For example, copy clipboard. Let's go copy that. Let's go ahead and insert the image from my clipboard, right? Insert image from clipboard. There it is. I don't think so. That does not look like an image from my clipboard. I guess I'm just expecting it to do something else. So that's QTM. The next one is Qmana. It has simple, hassle-free setup, intuitive blog manager system, pings Technorati on upload post. The downsides from me were it does not support custom post types or taxonomies. You can't post as a page. Upon launch, Qmana brand link was in post as default. No copy-paste image, so that was a big one for me. You can't add categories, and tags added are actually at the bottom. They're not WordPress tags, so I think that was a Technorati tag or something. Let me show you Qmana now. So this, when you open it, this is what you see after you link and set it up through the wizard. You can see that it's managing your blog posts here. You can download them, refresh button here. If you want to edit that, you can double click it. It'll open it up. You can edit it here. They have this Qmana ads section thing you can add into it. And other than that, that's pretty much Qmana. I can't actually show you Zoundry Raven because it actually won't open anymore. After I opened it, I ran it once and then the program literally will not open again. Forum is a 404 page, which leads me to believe this software is not upkept. However, I do know that there are some good reviews online about it, so I wouldn't count it out until you try it. Sounds like a lot of people like it, but for me, I'm experiencing many different technical issues that I simply can't get over. It does support pages and posts, and you can copy paste images. During the small, short period of time I was able to actually use it. Next is Windows Live Writer. This one is very popular. It has the same familiar Office look and feel. It has plug-in capabilities that extend the functionality. It supports pages or post types. You can create photo albums, videos, maps. It pulls down your blog's current theme style, so that's really cool. You can blog in your own theme style. It watermarks some photos. You can crop images, set categories and tags. So it has everything you'd really want in a blogging software. The downside, it doesn't support Vimeo videos. I'm sure there might be a plugin if you could find it. And it doesn't support custom post types and taxonomies. I'll show you that real quick. So here it is. Very similar look to Word, Microsoft Word, and a lot of functionality. This program is supported. You can add plugins here. You can see you can import a video from the web. You have these different tabs. Just overall, really professional, high quality blogging product. Next is Microsoft Word. Now most people don't know that you can make blog posts from Microsoft Word. You can only post posts to WordPress. I don't see a way you can post pages. You can set categories, and you can post high quality charts from Excel into posts. The cons are I don't see any capabilities of posting tags, and you're kind of limited in the editing features. So if you ever wanted to create a blog post, you go to File, New, and instead of hitting blank document, which is like what we normally do, you hit blog post. hit create. You'll have to actually link it to your blog first. That's a really easy process to do. And then you can publish it as a draft or publish it as a post. You can insert categories. Like I said, you can't insert tags from what I can tell. And you have all the same features, editing features that you do in Microsoft Word. So that is how you blog with Word. The next one I want to talk about is not actually a blog editor per se, but I thought it was something pretty cool and worth sharing. So it's called Screenshot Capture for WordPress. This is what it looks like. And what's cool is you can actually capture screenshots by just dragging, dropping your mouse. There you go, you have it. Now you can actually name it and upload it to your WordPress blog with one click. You can upload it to your media library as well. So this is a really cool tool if you do a lot of screen capture and you just upload a lot of images that way. Lastly, one that I came across is Thingamablog. This is a completely independent blogging solution. If you want to avoid WordPress, this might be good for you. It has FTP capabilities. Honestly, I'd compare this to Dreamweaver and FTP. So if you don't like doing that kind of stuff, I would just avoid this altogether if you just want to use WordPress. It does not require a third-party blogging host like WordPress is. It makes you enter an absolute hosting path for your server, so that's really inconvenient. Again, like I said, this is not for WordPress. I'm just mentioning this because this is something I came across during my research, and here it is. Really, you can have templates, front pages, and so on. So this is something if you don't want to use WordPress, but you want to blog for your, for example, static website. Other ones I tried were Bleezer, Newscrawler, WB Editor, and Ecto. Those just didn't work for me. If you want to know more, visit topthemereviews.com. It's my blog. And basically, in conclusion, after trying all of these WordPress blog editors, I'd have to say a lot of them are buggy, old, or no longer supported. If I had to choose one, I'd probably just choose Windows Live Writer because it's backed by Microsoft. Even though I don't really like Microsoft, it's still supported at least, and you know it has a good amount of plugins which might suit your needs. So that is my review of desktop blogging software for WordPress. Thanks a lot.